Hi friends! Have you ever met some hard to solve problems after shaving? Such as hyperpigmentation, papules, redness, irritation, itching? Well, today I would like to introduce you the product that can solve all of these problems, which is Latham Razor Balm Solution. Okay, let me show you the usage and effects of this product. You should use it after you shaving your beard and drying the skin. Then dispense 2 to 3 drops onto the palm of clean hand. Finally, spread evenly on the skin. It's very simple to use and I love using it not only on my face but on my body also. In just 48 hours you will see the effects of Razor Balm Solution. The skin redness and razor balm gradually disappeared. It's very suitable for me. My skin is so smooth, there is no redness, no irritation, dark spots or ingrown hair. I love this product. It works as described. And if you need shaving, I sincerely recommend you to try this. This will give you a better skincare. Thank you.